Kuyo. Oh! Naiyak dyan si Mama Susan eh. Oh! Kuya, love you. Tinamnam din niya na napanood. Oh my God.
Nagkakamot pa si Kuya.
Si Mama. Si Jay.
Happy birthday, and thank you for taking me in and taking good care of me and making me feel welcome and feel at home and just everything that you do. Thank you.
Hey Kuya Reynolds, CJ, I'm in Austin right now. I just want to wish you a happy birthday and best wishes to you and everybody else. Keep doing what you love and make people happy. Hopefully we get to see each other soon. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Si Chuck yan.
Extend our wishes from everybody here in Texas.
Pangalan naman.
Thank you for
Oo nga eh.
everything you do and may you have many
Si
more.
Tito Boy, tingnan mo, nakakatawa siya. Tingnan mo siya.
Happy birthday. God bless. Thank you for everything. Nandito na kami sa likod mo. I love you.
Nandito lang kami sa likod mo. Siyempre, bawal sa harap.
Birthday.
Oh. Sa bahay yan galing yung mga picture na yan eh. Oo, sa bahay yan. Pag kinilkil mo yung mga pictures doon. Oy.
So very him.
Di mo haba pa ng vocal dyan. Si Anton Diva.
Oh my God.
Chuk! Ay, umabot yung ano namin. Yung video.
So, di niya alam na may ganyan.
Hindi niya alam. Yan si Mayumi. Ayan yung nagboka kami.